Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about MangoMan Intelligent. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So basically this MMIT is a meme token and it is around 13 million market cap. So usually meme tokens fluctuate a lot, and if you want to invest in this token, then please do your own research as none of this is a financial advice. And if we talk about the past 1 month returns, there has been a decent fluctuations in this token because in the last 1 month it has been 5x already. And if we talk about the last 7 days, as you can see, there has been major downs and major ups. So basically, people are buying and selling this a lot, and the 24-hour volume is close to 4.5 million US dollars, and the overall supply is like 2,100 trillion, which is a very high supply. And the thing with this is like it's basically a meme coin. Like if you want to explore few meme coins in crypto space, then maybe after doing your own research, you can put a small amount in any meme token just to get like 50x, 100x, 1000x if you are lucky. And then I will show you how you can buy this MangoMan intelligent tokens. So the best way to buy is on a centralized exchange. It's available on MEX. Now, if you don't have an account on MEX, you can use the link in the description to sign up on MEX, where you will be getting a lot of sign up bonuses, and also it has a minimum trading fees, and I think so still it has got like zero buying and selling fees, so there are no fees on MEX right now. So what you have to do is, after creating an account on MEX, you will need to either buy USDT or transfer it from some other centralized exchange or from your other crypto wallet. So once you have USDT in your MEX spot wallet, all you have to do is you go to spot over here, and then in the token you will need to search for MMIT. So I will go and search for MMIT. Now as you can see, MangoMan Intelligent has shown up now. Now basically you can buy this or sell this depending. Whenever you want to sell, you can do both. So here is the option to buy and here is the option to sell. Now there are two options. While buying and selling, you can either place a limit order. Like limit order is like if you want to buy or sell at a specific price, then you can put in the price over here. And let's take an example, like if you want to buy, then just put in the amount of USDT over here and go ahead and buy MMIT. So I have pretty less USDT right now because I have something else in the other portfolio. But once I click on buy, uh, and once the MMIT price hits this level, then the order would be executed and you will be getting like MMIT tokens in your spot wallet. Now, if you don't want to go of the hassle of limit orders, then you can simply click on market and put in the amount of USDT that you want, and the order would be executed at the current market price, and you will be getting like MMIT in your spot wallet. Similarly, the same thing is for selling. You can either place a limit or a market order. Also, you can buy this on PancakeSwap, which is a decentralized exchange. Like if you don't want to deal with centralized exchange, then you can either go to PancakeSwap and connect your wallet. I've already connected my Trust wallet over here, and then you have to swap BNB for MMIT. So let's take an example, like if you want to swap 10 BNB, and as per the current market price, you will be getting this amount of MMITs. Now, if we go and check their website over here, and so basically this is the first fruit meme token, and they have something called as a Web3 domain. So it's a meme coin with some utility, and they have this Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and all these channels. Now they are talking about MMIT's achievement. So 33K plus holder, that's fine. 20 plus listed exchanges. I haven't seen like 20 plus listed exchanges. Maximum I think it's listed on, I think so, three or four. Let's see. Centralized exchange only four. One, two, three, and four. I don't know why they have mentioned like 20 plus exchange. and then they have this live ecosystems and presence. I think the staking option is also available, where you can earn by staking Mango. So let's explore this Mango Swap over here, because they have this Mango Swap also, and they have Mango Wallet. So there are some utilities behind it, and this is basically the roadmap. You can have a look at it later. I won't be going much into details. And this is the supply, and all this is basically the tokenomics and the token address. Now if we go to it's not connecting my trust wallet for some reason. Here it's connecting, but I mean on PancakeSwap here it's not connecting. Haven't got MetaMask yet on this, because MetaMask I usually use on my mobile. So basically you can connect your wallet, and I think they also have some NFT collections over here if you see. No, I don't think so. Yeah, yeah. So NFT collection is available. So there is a utility behind this. I mean, it's not a pure meme coin, to be honest. And I've seen some people buying this token and making decent returns, because I'm not sure, because I haven't invested, to be honest, in this yet. But I don't know. Maybe I can put a small amount in this, just to try it out. Because to be honest, at times I love meme coins, and these are the actual tokens that can go 50x, 100x. So taking small risk here and there is fine for me. And then once again, do your own research. Like if you still want to go ahead and buy this, you can use either MEX or you can use PancakeSwap. So this is all about MangoMan Intelligent. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.